Welcome back to the channel. The 2026 Scout Traveler marks the bold return of one of the most legendary names in off-road history. And this time, it comes back reimagined for the electric age. Scout isn't just reviving a badge. It's reviving a philosophy. The new Traveler blends classic rugged DNA with modern technology, delivering an SUV that feels authentic, capable, and purpose-built for adventure. It's not trying to be flashy, it's trying to be real. And in today's world of soft crossovers, that's powerful. Visually, the Scout Traveler is instantly recognizable. Its boxy, upright proportions honor the original Scout design from the 1960s and 70s, but everything has been refined for a new generation. The front end is tall and confident, with a bold grille shape and simple, purposeful lighting. The squared-off fenders, flat hood, and vertical windshield give the Traveler a commanding stance that looks ready for dirt, snow, rocks, and trails. This is an SUV that looks like it belongs in the wild. The exterior design isn't about decoration, it's about function. Short overhangs improve approach and departure angles. Large tires and high ground clearance make it clear that this vehicle is meant to leave pavement behind. Roof rails, skid plates, tow hooks, and protective cladding all reinforce the Traveler's role as a serious adventure machine. Whether parked in the city or deep in the backcountry, it looks honest and capable. Underneath the body, the 2026 Scout Traveler is built on a rugged electric platform designed specifically for off-road use. Instead of a traditional engine and driveshaft, it uses electric motors, one at each axle, to create all-wheel drive with instant torque and precise control. Power is delivered smoothly and silently, but with incredible force when you need it. Press the pedal, and the Traveler moves forward with authority. No revving required. Electric torque changes the off-road experience completely. Instead of waiting for an engine to build power, the Scout responds instantly. On steep climbs, in mud, over rocks, or through sand, that instant response gives you better control and confidence. You can crawl slowly and precisely or surge forward when needed, all with calm, predictable power. The battery pack sits low in the frame, lowering the center of gravity and improving stability. That means the Traveler feels planted, even on uneven terrain. Whether you're navigating a rocky trail or a snowy backroad, the Scout feels secure and balanced beneath you. Range is designed with real-world adventure in mind. The Scout Traveler offers enough electric range for daily driving, long highway trips, and weekend exploration. Fast charging capability means you can regain significant range quickly when plugged into a DC charger, and home charging keeps things simple overnight. This is an electric SUV that fits both urban life and outdoor life. Inside, the Scout Traveler blends toughness with comfort. The cabin is clean, simple, and durable, but also modern and inviting. Materials are chosen for longevity, surfaces that can handle dirt, dust, boots, and gear without feeling cheap. At the same time, the design feels warm and well-crafted. It's not luxury for show, it's comfort for real use. The dashboard layout is straightforward and driver-focused. A large central touchscreen handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while a digital instrument cluster keeps critical driving information right in your line of sight. The interface is intuitive, with big icons and clear menus, easy to use even with gloves on. The driving position is upright and commanding. You sit high, with excellent visibility in every direction. The steering wheel, pedals, and controls feel naturally placed, and everything you touch feels solid. This is a cockpit designed for confidence. Whether you're crawling up a trail or cruising down the highway, space is another strong point. The Traveler offers generous room for passengers and gear. Rear seats are comfortable for adults, and the cargo area is large and square, perfect for coolers, camping equipment, bikes, and tools. Fold the seats down, and you get a flat, versatile space that turns the Scout into a true adventure hauler. Technology in the Scout Traveler supports the mission rather than distracting from it. Navigation includes off-road mapping and trail data. Driving modes adjust throttle response, traction control, suspension behavior, and power delivery for different surfaces like sand, snow, mud, and rock. Everything works together to give you control instead of complication. Safety and driver assist features are built in as well. Adaptive cruise control, lane assistance, automatic braking, and blind spot monitoring help reduce stress during daily driving, while advanced cameras and trail views help you place the wheels exactly where you want them off-road. These systems add confidence without taking away the driver's connection to the vehicle. One of the most important things about the 2026 Scout Traveler is its philosophy. This is not a luxury SUV pretending to be rugged. It's a rugged SUV that happens to be electric. It's built for people who actually use their vehicles. People who hike, camp, explore, work outdoors, and go where roads end. And yet, it's also practical. Quiet on the highway. Comfortable in traffic. Easy to live with every day. It doesn't force you to choose between adventure and convenience. It gives you both. In many ways, the Scout Traveler represents a new kind of freedom. It keeps the soul of classic off-roaders, but updates it with modern technology and clean energy. It shows that electrification doesn't mean losing character. It means evolving it. Ultimately, the 2026 Scout Traveler is more than just a comeback. It's a statement. A statement that rugged vehicles still matter, that capability still matters, and that the future of adventure doesn't have to be loud or wasteful. It can be smart, powerful, and electric. This is a vehicle for people who don't just drive. They explore. What also sets the Scout Traveler apart is the emotional connection it creates. There's something deeply satisfying about driving a vehicle that feels purpose-built rather than market-built. You sense it in the way the body sits tall and honest, in the way the controls feel solid in your hands, and in how confidently it moves over any surface. This isn't an SUV trying to impress. It's one that earns respect through capability. The silence of electric power adds another layer to the adventure. Instead of engine noise, you hear wind, tires, and nature. When you stop on a trail, the world doesn't disappear behind the rumble of a motor. Still there, birds, trees, open space. That changes the experience in a subtle but meaningful way. For many drivers, the Scout Traveler won't just be transportation. It will become part of their lifestyle. Tool for escape. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others.